Now, if you click on an image, for example, I've clicked on Doom right here, you can see that it loads up and basically displays the box in a 3D environment. Hey everyone, it's Jamie from BestNerdLife. The other day I was having a Google to try and find kind of websites or companies or something along the likes of that who specialise in kind of big box PC game sales, if that makes sense. So, a website that you could buy big box PC games off. Along the way, I found this website called bigboxcollection.com that doesn't necessarily specialise in selling big box PC games, but is essentially this one guy's entire collection of big box PC games. And it's really, really interesting. What he's done is scanned in every side of the box of each game and essentially then plastered that onto a 3D shape. Now, I know this isn't probably the only website to do something like that, but this is one that I found and I think it's just really, really interesting to go through. Now, as you can see as I scroll down, this guy has got a huge amount of big box PC games. A collection which is quite admirable, to be honest. Now, if you click on an image, for example, I've clicked on Doom right here, you can see that it loads up and basically displays the box in a 3D environment. So you can zoom in, you can spin it around, all that kind of stuff. And I just think this is a really interesting way to display and archive old video games and new video games, like just having a big collection of games that people can look through and all that kind of stuff is really interesting because, I'm all for cataloging and archiving old video games. Obviously, you can scroll down the page and look at them individually, you can flip between them, but you can also search through them using the filter box at the top. I have noticed that a lot of them are in German, so that leads me to believe the guy who has built this is German. And talking about the guy who did all this, his name is Benjamin Wimmer. And I just think he's doing a really interesting thing with this website. If we search the website a little bit more, obviously you can see, the collection tab at the top. You've got the upcoming tab, which displays the games that he's currently working on, that he's going to scan in and upload to the website. You've got the wish list, which is the basically list of things that he wants to get. You've got the trade/sale page, which are games that he's hoping to maybe sell or trade. There's also the blog, which is a page where he talks about his finds and all that kind of stuff. You've got the About Me page, which is, him talking about himself. You've also got the tip jar, which is, a place you can tip him if you like what he does. You've also got the Wii Box Collection, which is, his collection of Wii games. It doesn't necessarily just concentrate on big box PC games. He's also got the Switch Collection as well. He's currently building that. And also the settings, which, controls the settings of the site. You will notice that I actually missed one particular tab, which is 3dbb.zip. Now, what this tab does is gives you access to a zip file entitled 3dbb.zip. And what this zip contains is all you need for adding your own 3D boxes to your own site. Instructions, the code, templates, all that kind of stuff. And this is the absolute most best thing about this site. The guy, Benjamin Wimmer, who is doing this, has basically allowed us to access his code that he uses to upload and, lets us freely use it to create our own sites and to create our own digital collections. If we unzip the folder itself, you can see that there is a HTML document that tells you how to do it. There's templates you can use. There's even a little spinning idle animation if you want to use that as well. This is definitely something I would absolutely want to try on my own website. I just need to figure out how to do it, how to upload it properly, and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, just a really interesting way to present and preserve and archive your game collection. It's definitely something I want to try in the future. In any case, if you enjoyed this big box themed video, by all means like, comment, subscribe, all that social media goodness, and as always, keep living that best nerd life.